And that reason was to save our country and to restore America to greatness. And now we are going to fulfill that mission together. We're going to fulfill that mission.
The United States of America, a land that is often in the global spotlight, has just seen a dramatic political event, the return of Donald J. Trump as the President of the United States. Following a contentious election season marked by a polarized electorate and a highly debated campaign, Trump has once again been declared victorious. His victory was not just a political achievement, but also a personal testament to his resilience, determination, and unique approach to life, especially in maintaining his health. In this video, we will explore Trump's remarkable approach to staying healthy, an often discussed topic given his busy, high-pressure career. While most of the world knows Donald Trump for his leadership in the business world and politics, fewer people may be familiar with how he maintains his health amid the demands of a high-stakes career. Trump's secret to staying healthy is built on a combination of factors, including his personal habits, mental resilience, diet, and exercise routines. These elements reflect a complex yet fascinating approach to well-being, which has allowed him to overcome health challenges and remain active, even in his 70s. The power of a no-nonsense mental attitude. One of the most striking aspects of Donald Trump's health is his mental attitude. Trump has often been quoted saying that one of his secrets to staying healthy is a strong, resilient mindset. He has a reputation for being highly focused and determined, even under immense stress. In the cutthroat world of real estate and politics, Trump's ability to block out negativity and criticism seems to have played a role in his overall health and longevity. Mental resilience is critical to health, and Trump's approach suggests that a strong mind can significantly impact physical well-being. Psychologists argue that stress management is crucial for preventing a range of health problems, from high blood pressure to heart disease. Trump, despite his public persona and constant media attention, seems to thrive on pressure, and his ability to stay calm under fire may help protect him from the negative effects of chronic stress. He also embraces a "don't sweat the small stuff" attitude, focusing on the big picture instead of getting bogged down by every detail. This approach may contribute to his ability to avoid mental burnout and maintain a steady sense of purpose throughout the years. For Trump, staying mentally sharp and focused is as important as any workout or diet plan. A simple yet effective diet. Now, Trump's diet has garnered a lot of attention over the years, and it is often a topic of debate. He is known for his love of fast food, particularly McDonald's. The president has frequently been seen with a burger or fries in hand, and his go-to meals are often associated with American fast food culture. In fact, during his time in office, Trump famously kept a steady supply of his favorite McDonald's meals at the White House, which was part of his dietary routine. Despite the fast food-heavy menu, Trump's diet also includes other elements that can contribute to his health. He is known to enjoy steaks, chicken, and other high-protein foods. Additionally, Trump has shared that he occasionally drinks Diet Coke, a low-calorie alternative to sugary sodas. His diet, while unconventional, isn't necessarily one-size-fits-all, but it underscores the importance of consistency. The reality of Trump's eating habits demonstrates that moderation, personal preferences, and comfort play important roles in his approach to nutrition. While some critics might argue that a diet consisting primarily of fast food could contribute to long-term health issues like heart disease, diabetes, or obesity, Trump's ability to stay active and manage his physical health, even at an advanced age, suggests that it's not just the food you eat, but how you live and manage your overall health. Perhaps the takeaway is that a healthy lifestyle isn't necessarily about avoiding bad foods, but creating balance through mental and physical resilience. Exercise and staying active. When it comes to physical activity, Trump's routine is less traditional than many might expect. He has shared that his preferred form of exercise is golf, and during his presidency, he made it a point to spend time on the golf course. While some may argue that golf is not a vigorous form of exercise, it involves walking, concentration, and the occasional burst of energy, making it an effective form of low-impact exercise. What sets Trump's approach apart is his regularity. Golf is not just a recreational hobby for Trump, it's part of his active lifestyle. As any avid golfer knows, a round of golf involves hours of walking, which provides cardiovascular benefits, and it requires concentration and focus, which may contribute to mental clarity and stress reduction. Golfing also keeps Trump social and engaged with others, further promoting mental well-being through personal connections. Though Trump's exercise routine is not filled with high-intensity workouts, the physical and mental benefits of his preferred activities cannot be underestimated. Staying active through low-impact exercise, even something as leisurely as golf, can contribute to overall cardiovascular health, improved mood, and greater flexibility, key elements in staying healthy as one ages. Rest and recovery. Trump's sleep routine.
I'm working long hours, right up till 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock in the morning.
What time do you get up?
5.
While
Just
Trump is known
as
for his
I
intense
did in my
work
first
ethic,
term, we had
he
a
has
great
also
first
emphasized
term,
the
a great
importance of
first
rest
term.
and sleep.
I will govern
It's no
by a
secret that the
simple
pressures of
motto:
being a public figure and a
promises
leader
made,
can lead to
promises-
sleepless nights, but Trump has shared that he does prioritize sleep when necessary. His sleep habits are characterized by early mornings and relatively early nights, aligning with the need for proper rest and recovery to maintain physical health and sharp cognitive function. Sleep is crucial for immune function, brain health, and energy levels. Research shows that a good night's rest is one of the simplest ways to improve long-term health outcomes, preventing issues such as weight gain, cardiovascular disease, and mood disorders. Trump's ability to recharge with adequate rest, despite the demands of his job, could be one of the cornerstones of his resilience. The power of purpose and a busy schedule. One of the underlying secrets to Trump's vitality is his sense of purpose. His career, both in business and politics, has been marked by an unyielding drive and ambition. Having a sense of purpose, whether in one's work, family life, or personal goals, can provide a powerful mental and emotional boost. This sense of purpose can reduce the risk of depression and anxiety, as well as enhance motivation, focus, and physical energy. Trump's relentless pursuit of goals, whether political or business-related, demonstrates how maintaining a sense of direction can have profound effects on a person's health. People with a clear sense of purpose are more likely to experience higher life satisfaction, better cardiovascular health, and even longer life expectancy. Trump's intense work schedule may contribute to his high level of energy, which, paired with his mental resilience, helps him to maintain a healthy lifestyle. In summary, Donald Trump's approach to health is unconventional but effective in its own way. His secret to staying healthy lies not in following traditional health and fitness trends, but in his ability to combine a resilient mindset, a relatively simple diet, regular physical activity, and a strong sense of purpose. While his diet might not align with mainstream health advice, his habits of mental toughness, staying active, and maintaining focus have undoubtedly contributed to his success and longevity. Trump's unique health strategy offers a valuable lesson. Health is not a one-size-fits-all concept. It's about finding what works for you, balancing nutrition, exercise, mental well-being, and rest in a way that complements your lifestyle. Whether it's through playing golf, focusing on your purpose, or enjoying the occasional burger, the key to staying healthy is staying true to yourself, while also nurturing your body and mind. As Trump's continued success demonstrates, there is no single formula for good health, but with resilience and balance, anyone can find their own path to wellness.